Oh, good morning, guys from Monarch Harbor.
Good morning, everybody.
We are.
Cup of coffee.
It might not be morning when you're watching this, but it's morning for us. And we got a lot done yesterday.
Yeah.
We got a lot done yesterday, but both of us were just, and I was at my wits' end. We got the tub out, the frames out, the jacuzzi's out. Then we got down to the drain. The drain, I think I'm going to be able to auger it out.
I think so. I got faith in it.
I'm fingers crossed. But I did decide that that's probably just going to be an entire wet room. I think I'm just going to mount the shower on the wall. It's set up for it perfectly. The floor's sloped already. The cement's good. So, and it's cinder block walls all the way around. So I do think I'm just going to do the wet wall in there.
I think that'd be neat.
I think it'd be pretty cool.
Eventually, when you have your shower, then you can have another big shower head coming up and over you, and just.
Yeah.
I think that'd be pretty neat.
I think it'd be pretty cool. And that way, the worst, as my health's gonna deteriorate. I'm 50 right now, so I'm trying to plan this for like the end. Like, I was telling him, like, even when I bought the toilet, I didn't want to buy the one with the little tiny round. I was like, I gotta get a bigger one in case I'm in a damn wheelchair and I gotta scoot over onto it. But I'm kind of wanting to set the bathroom up that way. I think it'd be cool, and pretty unique. And the place is definitely unique.
It is.
So
we rented a place, and the bathroom was a big wet room.
Big wet room. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it was. It was beautiful.
And then I can put a nice seat in there, a nice seat and bench in there, and I can sit down if I want to and take my shower. Eventually, I'll put like the nice handheld one down and everything else that I put on there. Which I might actually swap that out today while we're in town. I might swap that shower head out so that I've got the wand and the whole 9 yards. Just mount it to the wall and call it done. But we started getting into it, and in the video, I'm not sure if you could tell on it or not, but all the plumbing is going to have to get replaced in there, every bit of it. So when we took out the tub, the hot water line is so brittle, it broke. Not super bad, but it was leaking. So we had to shut the hot water down last night completely. So he did a
the shower in a can.
shower
I love
in a
my
can.
shower in a can. I've been using it all summer long, and I just love
What is it, 7 gallons?
7 gallons.
So he just filled up, 5 gallons in that, and then it's got poked holes in it and all that shit. I'm going to be taking my bath outside. I put the big horse trough thing out on the porch so that I could fill that up with water, and then we're gonna he did the same thing. We're using the little boiler kettles for doing your hot water for your tea, and then just keep filling them up until I can get the plumbing done. But we just hit the wall.
Yeah, we'll get it done tomorrow.
Yeah.
We're gonna take a break today.
We gotta take a break.
And we're taking a break today.
Today's the day off. Hey, Lulu Bell.
Got laundry to do.
We've got to do laundry.
Do.
Got to get some groceries. There's a couple of items that I need to pick up from the hardware store. And I've got to get the auger for the drain, but I'm not getting that today. I'm going to go over first thing in the morning when Home Depot opens, go grab that, bring it back over here, because that goes by, you can do a 4-hour or a daily rental on it. So I should be able to punch through within 4 hours, get over there, get it, get back, punch through. Him and I get it loaded back up, go back over to Home Depot and drop it off.
Like you were saying, you was talking about it yesterday, that, what was it, $200 that you could have bought it for that day? And you've rented it 3 times?
Oh, it's 300. They had a used one that was available for $300, and I've already rented it. This will be the 3rd time.
And now you're up to just about 300.
150 to it'll be right at about $200 now.
Yeah,
I've already
only
just invested in
off.
renting it.
It's just $100 off.
I knew it. I knew I should have bought it at that time. But I was like, why didn't I have a big old huge electric power auger? I was like, I'm never gonna have to do this again. I thought that the first time. Then I thought it the second time.
Now you're on to your 3rd.
Now I'm doing it a 3rd time.
Wait until you're on your 4th, and you're gonna be going, oh my god.
Yeah. But no, we just I apologize that I didn't have anything uploaded yesterday. That's the reason why I did the quickie short of the jacuzzi tub. But it kicked our ass yesterday. It kicked our ass bad.
The mental.
And then me, I had like a nervous breakdown once I like started getting in there, and I'm like looking at how I have to run the plumbing and everything, and yeah, just yeah.
I a lot of times think mental thought, like trying to figure it wears you out more than physical.
Yeah.
That's my
Well,
opinion.
no, we were both physically done.
Physically,
too.
yeah,
Because after we got the jacuzzi tub out, little after that, we both plopped down. I'm like, dude, that's it. I'm calling it for the day. We're not doing anything else. And we both sat down here for probably 2 freaking hours, just not even doing anything, just talking, because we didn't want to get up, we didn't want to get cleaned up, we didn't want to cook, we didn't want to go anywhere. And then I was like, all right, before you get cleaned up, remember, I was like, help me move this platform, the platform that was sitting on top of the jacuzzi and with the other tub on top. We could hardly move it. We were both so beat. So, but we did move it, and then I was like, yeah, I'm done. Done. But today is going to be, we're just going to kind of screw off today.
Yeah.
And we need it.
Sit around and bullshit all day.
Today's day 7 for you.
Day 7?
Yeah. So.
Okay, so you're always supposed to rest on the 7th day, aren't you?
Yeah. Yeah. Should be on Sabbath. Or the Sabbath. Saturday. But we were working that day. But yeah, we're both just dead ass tired, guys. So I apologize for not uploading like the video. I did start the upload, so you'll see this video after that video for my subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, you can see the videos. His wife is really sick.
Yeah,
so
she's feeling horrible, and then she went to work today.
So she didn't upload any videos yesterday at all, did she?
No.
So
she slept all day.
Yeah.
And the videos that I've been taking, I've been long and got to piece them together. So she has to piece them together because I know nothing about any of that stuff.
Yeah, she doesn't do the electronics.
Yeah, she has all the editing stuff at home.
And I don't do editing, as you guys know. I just shoot the video and upload it. Is what it is. This winter, well, probably this fall even, after he goes, once my life starts to like mellow out a little bit, I will probably just start. I do have a laptop. I just, with these days, it's like, you don't feel like sitting down and editing videos at the end of the day.
No. It's chaotic. I've turned your house from a, you was always had a plan. You always had your little thing, and when I got here, it turned into chaos. A good chaos, but it turned into chaos.
But no, I was like having a nervous breakdown yesterday, because even like I was telling him when he got here, like the porch was all cleared off. I had it all swept. I'm like, oh, thank God, I can see my porch again. And then now it's, the whole porch is covered in shit again.
Yeah.
And we do have one thing we got to do today, though.
What's that?
We've got the tub and all that shit's in the back. The jacuzzi tub's in the back of the truck.
That'll be easy.
So we're putting that out to pasture today. Literally, it's going to pasture.
Going out to the greener pastures.
Yeah. And I'm not even right now, I'm not going to walk around and do a video of the bathroom. I'm going to shoot a picture of it because it's thrashed. Absolutely thrashed. Everything is out now except for the toilet and the sink, which are going to be really easy to pull. It's like 2 bolts on the toilet. Boom, it's gone. And the sink just not even attached.
Just pick it up and move it.
The sink can just go outside. I am saving the sink. It's a good sink. That'll go up to the barn where I can hose it down, scrub it down real good. That'll reuse. The toilet is, I told him I was thinking about spray painting the whole toilet metallic gold. And putting it out in the yard somewhere and putting flowers coming out of the top and out of it. So I might hillbilly redneck that out. I don't know. We'll see. But the jacuzzi tub is gone. The other tub, I'm going to keep that, use that for something. It's still a good tub. I just wish there wasn't a hole in the bottom of it. But it can be plugged.
Yeah, it can be plugged.
But
any hole can be filled.
The drain, for the video, if you guys are watching the drain in the bathroom, what the situation was with that, the best I can tell is they put a layer of cardboard down on top of the drain and then poured cement in it. So I chiseled all that out, got all that out, and I'm down about that deep into the drain. I would say 6-8 inches into the drain, but it's all full of sand. But it's only about 4 foot to where, not even 4 foot, maybe 4 foot to where the toilet's at, and it's 4 foot over to where the drain's at for where the washing machine goes. So I'm hoping with the power auger I can just power right through it, get it cleared out, but I am going to have to run it all the way out to the septic and probably run it quite a few times just to make sure everything's clear. So wish me luck on that one. I'm really hoping that works, because if that doesn't work, then I have serious problems in there for showering. And
then we're cutting the floor up.
Then we're cutting the floor up.
I don't want to cut up the floor.
I really don't want to cut up the floor.
All the concrete out there is like perfect.
Yeah. They really did a nice job on the concrete, believe it or not.
It sure did. Like,
but
beautiful.
Fingers crossed that's going to work itself out tomorrow. It is. I'm planning on it being just fine. It's just a little plumbing project.
Yeah.
But yeah, I got in there last night after we were all done, and it's just trying to get my head wrapped around how to run the plumbing because of the way the floor joists sit, and it's concrete walls, and if I'm going to have an exposed shower, and so on and so forth. So we're just going to take the day off today, guys. Like I said, we're going to do our shopping. Probably end up taking him out to eat while we're over in Clinton, because he did make chicken riggies last night.
Ooh, I was gonna video it, but I was just too pooped. I was done. I was worn.
We're both tired.
Didn't feel
it would have been great content because
delicious,
Chainsaw showed up.
Yeah, he's always funny.
He's a freaking riot.
And that was delicious, wasn't it?
It was awesome.
That was your first time having it, huh?
First time having chicken riggies.
Yeah, he was thinking about eating that for breakfast.
I was. It was really good. It was really, really good. But that's how tired we were. Like, I didn't even want to jack with uploading video. We didn't even want to film. We were just like, we're done. And today we're both pretty much done. So we're just going to take it easy today, guys. But I do thank you for all your support. Dana appreciates you for his support on his channel. His channel is doing really good. Mine is stagnant. I have been like 3,000, or how many do I have? 3,120 or 1,090 to 200, and it just, I'm bouncing up and down by like 10 people, so I haven't broke through to start on the upswing yet for my next thing. But Dana, since you got here, well, since you left the house to come here,
I was only in the hundreds. No, maybe in 200s.
Yeah,
something like that.
So you're probably 350 to 400 people,
something like that.
That's good, man.
I'm up to
that is really
574.
574 now he's up to for subscribers. Yeah. So thank you guys for helping that to happen.
You guys are awesome.
Got him monetized. So probably towards the end of next month he'll get his first paycheck. So that's cool, guys. It's really, really appreciated. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I will do a post here in a little bit. I'll just take some pictures. That way I can post some pictures of the progress, but that's probably going to be it for today for us. And then tomorrow we'll be back at it. So wish us, not today.
No, not today.
Not today. Which is kind of counterintuitive because we're going to be right there to get the auger, but we got to stop.
No,
there's got to be a stopping point.
We're taking today off.
Yeah. Taking today off. We're going to go have something good to eat and come back and just relax, hang out, and try to recover. Neither one of us even wanted to get up this morning. We both slept in, and I probably could have slept till noon or 1.
Yeah,
easy.
I was 9:30. It's way past my wake up time.
Yeah.
Hours past it.
Yeah. So thank you guys for everything. Thank you for the support, the comments. We're not dead. Nobody got hurt moving the tub. We're hurting from moving the tubs, but we're not hurt or injured or at the hospital or anything like that. So I'm sitting here enjoying my Keurig coffee with Dana, and we're gonna have a fun, relaxing day. I don't know how fun, but it's gonna be relaxing. Well, we'll be cutting up once we wake up.
It's always fun, James.
It's always an adventure.
I've been having a blast, yeah.
It's always an adventure here.
Yes, it is. It is.
All right, guys. Well, you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you again real soon, okay?